disobedience of judicial orders, especially by officials of a coordinate branch who have sworn an oath to uphold it. To permit such officials to freely annul the judgments of the courts of the United States would not just destroy the rights acquired under those judgments, it would make a solemn mockery of the Constitution itself. Defendants provide no convincing reason to avoid the conclusion that appears obvious. They deliberately flouted this court's order. Rather than offer a mea culpa and attempt to explain this grave error and detail plans to rectify it, defendants offer various imaginative arguments for why they nevertheless technically complied with the order. None of their positions withstand scrutiny. Defendants' conduct, moreover, manifests a willful disregard of the court's legally binding prescriptions. Given the evidence at this early stage in the inquiry and offered no persuasive reason to conclude otherwise, the court finds that there is probable cause that defendants acted contemptuously. When the judge says acted contemptuously, he means in a legal sense, as in the defendants acted in contempt of court. If you want to know where contempt of court is on the map of the death of the Republic, it's that thing right on the edge of the abyss. You get up to you're approaching the cliff, there's the signs telling you you're getting close to the edge, and then you go past the signs, and then you get right up to the edge. It's the contempt of court that's right there. When the Trump administration started shipping people off to a foreign prison in El Salvador, a judge in Washington ordered them to turn around the planes that were in the air at that moment flying to that prison. The administration did not do that. Instead, they sent those people to that prison in El Salvador anyway. Ever since, that same federal judge in Washington has been demanding answers about who exactly made the decision to defy his legally binding order, and when, and how, and who else is implicated in this mess. Today, in this ruling, that Washington judge made clear that he is done playing games. They are on the edge of contempt, which is on the edge of the end. He gave the Trump administration until Wednesday, next week, 1 week, to either fix this mess by having the U.S. government retake custody of all those people it shipped to El Salvador, or start handing over the names of Trump officials for the judge to hold in criminal contempt. We are getting to it here. We're going to talk to the lead attorney who is suing the government in this case next. Stay with us.